Welcome to Rosendale Online. You know, I travel a lot and I always get asked the same questions. One of them is this available online? Well, guess what? Now I'm really excited to say that it finally is. We've created a whole new platform for our users filled with videos, recipes, photos, and tons more engaging content. I go in depth on why I do things the way I do, not just how I do them. One of our most exciting features is our secret Facebook group, which is exclusive to Rosendale Online members. This is a place where you can ask questions, trade recipes, discuss techniques, industry trends, photos, and job opportunities. Again, this is only available to Rosendale Online members. To help create all this amazing content, we've partnered with Christian Seal, an award-winning Los Angeles-based filmmaker and photographer. If you're familiar with Chicago's Alinea restaurant, Next Restaurant, or Aviary, you've probably already seen his work. When you sign up for Rosendale Online, you'll have access to original recipes, timetables, and charts, photos of developing concepts, events, and new dishes, tons of videos including recipes of all kinds, and also new and inventive techniques. This content is not available anywhere else, even in the Rosendale classes. We add new material every single week. You'll get special discounts on kitchen equipment. Plus, as a member, we'll send you regular newsletters updating you on new content, events, and classes so that you never miss a thing. All of the knowledge I've accumulated over 25 years is now available to you. I will be mentoring you the same way I was mentored by Michelin star chefs. So sign up now and let's begin this journey together.